Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to share with you guys ways to just spend quality time with your kids, and not just quality time, but how to make your child feel more special and how to make your child feel appreciated, especially if you have two or more children. Sometimes it can always feel like if everything that you do for all of them and as a group, but sometimes you want to just pick them out of the set and really make them feel loved and appreciated for who they are as an individual. One of my goals as a mom, you guys, is just to be the best mom I could possibly be to each one of my children, ensuring that they excel in every area of their lives and that they just grow up to be well-rounded individuals. I know that life can get really hectic at times, and just trying to juggle different responsibilities, it can be really difficult, and sometimes it can even take a toll on you as a parent. But if you are not careful and self-aware, your kid could get lost in all of it and just fall through the cracks and suffer because of the busyness and because of us just trying to just be a million things at once. One of the basic needs of every child is attention and quality time. And just spending time with your kids is essential for building strong, meaningful relationships with them, but also creating amazing memories that will last a lifetime. I believe in quantity of time, but I also believe in quality of time. It goes hand in hand. You have to spend a sufficient, decent amount of time with them, but also you want to make it meaningful and intentional and full of value. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Lois Raymond, and on this channel, I'm all about helping you navigate and blossom through life as a godly woman, wife, and mother. If you are new to my channel, I highly suggest that you just go through my content and see if it's relatable to you and if it will bring you value. And if it would, please subscribe to my channel so that whenever I post a video, you will always be notified of it. To my returning subscribers, hey y'all! Thank you guys so much for always joining in, and I really do appreciate each and every one of you. So, how to make your child feel special and give them the undivided attention and care and appreciation that they need. I think the first thing is to understand and study your child. Observe them, study them, see who they are, look at their traits, look at what they like, what they don't like, learn about their temperament and their personality. I think this was a huge game changer for me, understanding my children's temperament. Your temperament is basically how you are wired, how God created you to be. There are four basic temperaments. You have the sanguine, and how a sanguine child will look. These are the children that they're going to be fun loving, they're going to be social butterflies, they love to be around people, they have a lot of energy, they love to play, they love to have fun, they're easily distracted, they get bored easily. I mean, these are the children that they're always just bouncing off the walls. All right, so that's the sanguine child. They love to be around people. I cannot overemphasize on that. They love people, they love to play, they love to have fun, and they just love to socialize. Then you have the choleric child. This is how I like to describe the choleric child. This is a child that you look at and you say, that's like a little mother, or he's like a little father. It's like they are little adults. Very independent. They know what they have to do. They love to lead. They tend to be a bit bossy and like to tell you what to do, but they are very productive children. They love to work and do things. This is your choleric child. Then you have the melancholy child. This is a child that is very sensitive. If you talk to them too hard, they may cry. They are more reserved, more private. At home, their true personality comes alive. So at home, they will be loud and just really bubbly. Once they're in their comfort zone, their true personality tends to come alive. But when they're in a new environment or around strangers, they tend to be more shy and reserved. They tend to be picky eaters. They love to be by themselves. They will play by themselves. So this is your melancholy child, the sensitive child. And then you have the phlegmatic child that is just peaceful and calm, and they don't give much trouble. You can put them to sit in front of a TV all day, and they'll just watch TV all day. They are very helpful as well, but they tend to be a bit lazy and less motivated. They don't really show a lot of emotions as well, in terms of if they're excited or if they are bored. I mean, they just stay the same. So understanding your child's and their temperament, and how, what they like and what they don't like, you're able to better serve them. Also understanding your child's love languages. How do they feel love? So that now, knowing their love language, you can better serve them and make them feel loved and just fill their love tank. Each child speaks a different love language, and you don't want to be speaking your love language to them. Secondly, is to go on date days. So I was listening a podcast, and the parents was talking about how they date their kids and how they go on dates with their kids. Sorry, and I absolutely just loved this concept. And the reason why I love this concept is because you have an opportunity to spend one-on-one time with each child and cater to that child as an individual. Especially if you have two or more kids, sometimes you tend to do everything as a group and they can get lost in the group. And I love taking one of that child and spending intentional time with that one child and just rotating it from time to time. Then you take another one and you take another one, and you sit and you have deep, meaningful conversations with this child, and you can let them express themselves, laugh with them, and just have fun with them. So I really love this. And it does not have to be grand. You can take them for ice cream and just sit down and just talk with them and have meaningful, deep conversations. Google or go on ChatGPT and type in, what are some meaningful questions that I can ask a 5-year-old or a 6-year-old, and really be intentional about it and hear your child's heart. And I'm telling you, you will create such a bond with this child. A simple thing as sometimes, okay, like I drop my child to school, Aiden, to school on mornings, and it's that one-on-one time that I get with him to pray with him. But also there's where he will tell me what's going on in school, and who is his friend today and who is not his friend today, and we're able to have fun conversations. So engage your child in meaningful conversations. And I love doing this because they are building the skill of sharing their emotions and sharing their feelings and sharing what is going on the inside of them, so that they don't grow up and just keep everything inside. But it's a great way that you can build that skill of communicating well with your children. Some of my most pleasurable memories were back when I was a child, and my parents, we will go outside and we will play cricket together and we will play football together. Oh my gosh, as a family, it brings back so much pleasant memories, and I really appreciated those memories. So I encourage you to go outside as a family now. Even though it's the entire family, I believe it's still special, and it's still spending quality time with each of those children and just playing together. Play football. We play football with the kids. We have fun with them. We ram together. Just do activities. If it is cooking, cook as a family. And when I mean as a family, not the mom and the children, I mean the father, the mom, and the children. Cook as a family. Play together. Join your kids in sports and cheer them on. Cheer them on, mommy and daddy, in the pavilion. Go. Oh my gosh, these things, it boosts the children's self-confidence, and they feel important and they feel appreciated. taking little mini car rides together, just go on a ride together, go for a drive together, take vacations together. And you may not have all the money in the world to travel, but take a staycation, stay at a home, or find a local guest house or a local hotel that is in your area, that is cost effective, and build that family bond where everyone feels loved and everyone feels appreciated and everyone feels valued. So I hope that these tips really helped you guys in just making your child and your children feel more special and more appreciated. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.